it's been, well, since August last year, since I last did anything. I've still got a video to edit, if I don't put it up before this one, of me actually hanging the rebuilt doors on, but there was a few issues with the lining up of the joint, so I had to sand and fill it all. I've only opened it up once, and that was because I had to move stuff out my shed, so it's literally got everything from in it now in it, apart from anything new. Yeah, I need to prop the ceiling up a bit so I can start putting the cabinet back in. It's either the cabinet or to do the roof, and I'm thinking I need to really get some sort of support inside to keep the roof from moving once it's been painted. Only issue I see since over winter is a small looks like water stain there. I'm not sure what that's from. And then just like faint white mold spores, which could be because I just haven't aired it off. It's literally been all shut up with the covers on since I last did the videos. I'm probably going to start, this is the frame for the front of this side of the bed. I took the side off, I think, because it was damaged. I've got another side somewhere in that pile. I'm not sure whether to do this side or not, but obviously you'll see it in the next videos. That side needs to be cut down, and I need to do that so I know where that's the middle section can be, and then I can sort out the bunk beds. That my plan is to go around the back corner and basically start framing it all out. So that's where we're at. Blank canvas inside ready to go, and then obviously the roof still needs painting and the front and back trims, but apart from that, it's almost ready. But there's a few other nicks, a couple of dints there that weren't there before, don't know what they are. Great. Hopefully start going soon.